The buildings always come before the figures. I generally start putting the figures in when I've got the landscape, as you would call it, fairly complete. It sometimes comes very well, and sometimes, for no apparent reason, not at all well, but it could take a couple of years to paint a picture quite easily from start to finish. Of course, they're intricate pictures and they're full of figures and detail. It all takes balancing, which is not easy to do. You work on this, as I say, not working too often or too rapidly until I find that the time comes and you can do no more with the picture. And when you're satisfied with that, you leave it as complete.